In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust image contrast in OpenArt. If you've ever had a photo that looks a little flat or overly harsh, adjusting the contrast can bring out details, add depth, and make your subject pop. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and along the way, I'll share simple tips to help you get clean, consistent results. Start on the OpenArt homepage. Look for the area dedicated to images and hover over it to reveal the image tools. This is where the editing features live, so it's the fastest path to getting your photo ready for enhancement. Next, click on the option called Chat to Edit. This opens OpenArt's chat-based editor, which is designed to take natural language instructions and apply them directly to your image. Think of it as having a helpful assistant that understands plain English. Now upload your image. You can drag and drop or use the upload button to select a photo from your device. For best results, choose a clear, well-lit file. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. If your image is large, give it a moment to finish uploading before you move on. With your image loaded, go to the text box and describe the contrast change you want. Be specific about the intensity. You might say, increase contrast slightly, boost contrast moderately to add depth, or reduce contrast for a softer look. You can also target areas like increase contrast in shadows or soften contrast in highlights if you want a more nuanced effect. Clarity in your prompt helps the tool dial in the exact look you're after. Press Enter or click Send to apply your instruction. You'll see the system process your request. If you're working with a high-resolution image, give it a few extra seconds. That's normal. When the results appear, you'll be able to compare the before and after. Take a moment to scan different parts of the image. Check skin tones, shadows, and bright areas. A good contrast adjustment adds separation without crushing blacks or blowing out highlights. If it looks too intense or still too flat, don't worry. That's easy to refine. Simply type a new prompt and send it again to adjust the result. Use words like slightly, subtly, or strongly to fine-tune the strength. If your last change went too far, ask for the opposite, such as reduce contrast a bit or soften the previous adjustment. Iterating like this is the quickest way to land on a look that fits your style. And that's it. You've adjusted image contrast in OpenArt using clear, natural prompts and an intuitive before and after view. Keep experimenting with subtle tweaks to find the perfect balance for your photos.